Yes, guys, so it's currently week 4 of the challenge, day 19. Yeah, it's day 19. This is like round 2 of the challenge due to obviously losing the account on Monday, Tuesday. On Tuesday. Anyways, right now we are at, it's 1:21. As you can see, I just woke up. Literally, I just woke up and yeah, gotta get right to it. I mean, I was looking at the markets while I was in bed, so I guess that's a plus. So the trades yesterday, which was gold and GJ, as you can see, the stop losses got hit. So the idiot I am decided to re-enter the positions. So this is where we're at right now. CPI is about to start in 8 minutes. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for these positions, but we will find out. Aside from that, everything's cool. I got Mr. Double R gonna pull up soon, so we're gonna make some tunes in that. But yeah, aside from that, literally just I need to get ready, to be fair, but I will literally as soon as the news release lands, so that I can manage the trade. I'm gonna get ready. So I'll probably give you guys a market update, trade update in a couple of hours, a few hours, we'll see. Just before I get into the shower, so it's 1:38, and pretty much the update is just that I've moved my stops on gold to break even, if you can see clearly. And GJ, I left it because I mean it's still printing very bullish, so I mean bearish, so I left it. But yeah, now I can now I can shower in peace. So yeah, we'll see what happens when I get out. Nothing much else on my end. But yeah, catch you guys in a bit. I don't think I've been on the camera enough this past couple days. Let's see, how do I do this? So I'll give you a trade update. So currently it's Friday 11th, 10:47. So it's the last day of the trading week. And currently we're in sales on USD CAD. We'll wait and see how that goes. The past few days, not the past few days, but yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been on the camera, but these are the past few trades I've been taking. So I don't know where we're supposed to start from. Yeah, I suppose this is correct. Like this, so this is what's been going on so far. These should cover like a majority of the last trades I've been taking. I'm definitely gonna have to, maybe the correct term is sit and explain, because yeah, I think there's been a lot of errors this week. And another thing as well that's crazy is that like I have not been like at my best, I think, this week. And it could obviously be because of what happened on Monday morning. But yeah, no, I definitely need to get back to the drawing board and not figure it out, but you know that thing about confidence. I need to get my confidence back. That's what I need to do, because like instead of the problem that I'm having is that instead of just first of all sticking to 1 to 2 trades, I'm trying to go aggressively. Not only am I trying to go aggressively, but also I am I'm not entering positions at areas of interest. You know, I kind of, and this is something that I feel like I'm lacking on. And saying that, like, for example, like with gold, I know that it's very hard to find areas of interest, or you have to wait like days on days for your areas of interest to get hit. And I mean, yeah, it's all nice and that, like trading to all-time highs, whatever, but like it doesn't mean anything if later you obviously don't continue to trade it well. So that's that. And then yeah, the forex pairs, the areas of interest. I haven't really been focused on areas of interest on the forex pairs too. So it's pretty much I'm kind of like trading the volatility or trading the volume, which is definitely not a go-to strategy. But I mean, yeah, as long as the risk management is there, it's fine. But still, I think you have to have areas of interest so that you can just hold the trade, and get your pips and cut. Um, I can't tell you the amount of pips I've probably collected in total, but yeah, I mean it's kind of okay for now. But yeah, anyways, let's see how the week ends. So currently, yeah, we're still at like floating break even. So yeah, we just have to wait and see. I'll try to give you an update soon. I'm just going out quickly. Gonna go to get my nails done, and then we'll be back. So until then, catch you guys later. Yes, guys. So I'm back in the house. I thought that why not, instead, if I'm not gonna be trading, why not have a quick chat with you guys as much as myself while I'm eating some boiled eggs. I don't know if you can see the boiled eggs. But wait. Okay, before you guys laugh at me for what I'm about to do, yeah. Basically, I don't bite the boiled eggs. I eat the whole. I put the whole egg in my mouth and I'll eat. Oh wait, but maybe I won't be able to speak while doing that. The thing is, I don't like to drop any. Okay, just for you guys. Just for you guys, I bit the boiled egg first. Anyways, so I didn't really see any opportunities on the market, and to be honest, I'm pretty much done for the week. I'm like, I'm not feeling it. I've been reflecting, like, so what I was supposed to say was I was reflecting a lot on this week, and yeah, basically from what I've noticed, yeah. So one of my basic rules is obviously buy at the bottom, sell at the top, yeah. And like looking back at all of the trades I've taken, right? None of the trades I've done this week, right? Pardon me, were executed in that manner, that form, or any that type of form, yeah. So I'm making sure from now on, like, if we don't get a bottom and if we don't execute sells at the top or buys at the bottom, I'm not trading, because this is crazy. Like, I feel like I'm allowing myself to get hit with like four more. Anyways, it's like I'm done, man. I'm done trying to play. I'm done trading the wrong way. You know what I'm saying? There's definitely a lot of things that it's just this small thing that will make things better, and yeah, it's just this small thing that will make things much better and much more easier, because I feel like, because what I've noticed as well, how that's having an effect on me is now when I'm entering positions, right, I'm fearful of my stop loss getting tapped, and I'm fearful of, is price going to reach my TP? So yeah, I've decided that I'm gonna just I'm gonna make sure that I start off with the foundation, so obviously selling at the top and buying at the bottom, and then we'll go from there. aside from that, yeah, aside from that, there's nothing really much else to. Okay, there might be an opportunity with GBP AUD. I don't know. It could be. We'll have to wait and see how the 4 hour closes. Anyways, yeah, that was pretty much it. That's what I feel like. That's the main thing that I was pretty much like obsessed about the whole week. Another thing that was pretty much like on my mind is the amount of trades I'm entering. Like, I don't even know why I enter so many trades, because actually I do now. Because I'm trying to win the challenge, but the challenge doesn't get won by moving like this. Like, I was thinking, for example, like gold was at our area of interest for buyers, yeah. So why didn't I buy? You know, I'm trying to think of other pairs that I noticed. I wasn't really trying to trade Nasdaq, so I didn't get involved. Yeah, there was just things that I was missing that needs to. Like I mentioned, buying at the bottom, selling at the top. That's the game plan. Now, how we move on from this is just literally doing that, making sure we stick to the plan, and the rest will take care of itself. Yeah, that's pretty much all that can be done for now. Yeah, I think that's that. But yeah, in overall, I think the week could have been much worse. Actually, no, scrap that. It was bad. The week was bad, I think, because let's look at the trades I took, yeah. Since the new deposit. So, we took sales on Nasdaq. That failed, and we was up like 50 pips. But no, we wasn't even up 50 pips, you know. I think we was up like, yeah, that one we was up like 100 something pips. Didn't close. Okay, I took buys on gold 30.65. I'm trying to think 30.65. What was we doing at 30.65? Yeah, 30.65. 100 pips. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, here we go. So Nasdaq buys. We was up like, I don't know, 100 something pips trade. Like, there's 100 pip moves that I'm supposed to be closing, but I don't, because obviously I'm expecting price to move further, right? Anyways, like, I think, man, in general, like, Nasdaq I just over risked. Like, pardon me, I feel like with these positions where I'm doing 10%, right? Where I said that I'll let my risk exposure grow to 10%. It should be with trades that I'm already in. I don't think it should be like literally using the whole account to, not the whole account, but yeah, using 10% of the account for one market, right? So anyways, yeah, that happened. And then yeah, like just taking losses. GJ, gold. To be quite frank, I don't even know why I took the sells on GJ, but I mean, price did eventually come down because I think we re-entered the position again, and then we managed to get 1,500 pips on gold, and then I say 1,500, 150 pips on gold, and then we got 850 pips on GJ, the sells. We re-entered from around about, no, not around, yeah, around about the same price. And then just taking losses again on Nasdaq, and this was just like fear, bro. Like I didn't. Oh no, actually no. The stop loss got hit. Yeah. Anyways, I just want to make sure that my entries are much more precise, much better. I've been thinking about this for a few days, where I might transition my areas of interest from being on the daily time frame to being, from being from the 4-hour time frame to being on the daily time frame, just for stronger confirmation. And yeah, we'll have to wait and see how we move with the markets. But yeah, I think just to summarize, as of now, it sounds pretty petty what I'm saying, but like, yeah, there's lots of things that I need to, that are serious and that need to be fixed immediately. Otherwise, we're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it to completing the challenge. I'm not gonna lie to you. There is no way we are gonna be able to complete the challenge if we're doing the things incorrectly. So I'm trying to figure out where my area of interest will be for gold, because I know gold moves without an area of interest, and it moves wildly. So, yeah, I think an area of interest would probably be from the 1 hour. We'll try the 1 hour maybe for area of interest. And then yeah, we'll go from there. Aside from that, I don't have nothing more to say. I'm sorry for I just want to apologize actually for this week. I think this week's been a bit rough and less raw, as well as this is not how I objectively trade. I think even just having this transition from like the Biden markets to the Donald Trump markets is making a big difference as well, impacting my trading. And yeah, we just have to make sure that we come back stronger, better. Remember, buying the bottom, selling the top, and then things will get better over time. And then hopefully we can win the challenge in the next, I don't know how many days, but no, wait, hold on. I said 100 days. Right now it's going to be day 20. Today's day 20. So, yeah, another 80 days. So let's see how it goes. Aside from that, I will catch you guys I'll probably catch you guys later when I'm outside on the way to work. I need to get ready now, actually, but I'm chilling because chilling is fun. No, I'm joking. No. Ignore that last statement. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys. So I'm currently. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice light. Oh shit. All right, guys. So I'm currently at work. My manager's not here yet, so that means I got some time to chill, like 15 minutes. Yeah, but I thought I'll quickly just mention that pretty much like I was thinking, maybe like should I get in the trade? But then I thought, nah, leave it. It's better just to leave it, because I can't check my phone all the time, and I don't want to bring that bad habit that I brought with me when I first started trading, which was checking my phone all the time while working. So yeah, just not gonna chase the FOMO. I'm gonna put my phone on D&D so that no alerts pop off on my phone, and yeah, just wait until when I get back home from work and the gym. I'm gonna do like obviously my post-market analysis and stuff, because I don't really want to spend the whole Sunday just doing that. And then yeah, so yeah, I would say the best thing to do while you're working is just not trade. It's different if you're in a trade going into work, and then obviously however it plays out, as long as everything's in order and you're happy with the position. If I want to give like a quick review of how the week went, I think it could have been better. Like I said, I wasn't satisfied with my behavior. Like, it was definitely something that I'm not used to doing, and I think I was just forcing a lot of stuff. Fortunately, on this round 2, the second round 2, I mean, yeah, we're currently up like £40, so it's cool, it's good. I'd love to show you the current balance, but I can't. So yeah, it's fine. Just gonna be patient, just firm it, and wait and see what's in store for obviously the post-market analysis, what we missed, what could have been better, and then obviously the pre-market analysis for how we're gonna approach the coming week. But aside from that, I'm done. The trading week's finished for me. I'll probably give like a post-market review tomorrow. But aside from that, yeah, catch you later. What's up, guys? I'm literally just getting ready for work, but I thought that maybe it would make sense to try and have like a Saturday recap while I'm getting ready. So yeah, I hope that's okay for you all. So yeah, I got home quite late. I got home literally this morning. I don't know if I should show the date and the time just to confirm that it's like Saturday, 4:49, right? And yeah, I said, okay, let me start trying to look at the pre-market analysis. Let me start doing the post-market and pre-market analysis, right? So I did, and then yeah, I was taking a look at the conditions, and the thing is, I feel like because there's just so many markets here, there's probably like so many opportunities like being missed, right? But then I thought, you know what, like another factor that could be in play is that maybe the markets that I'm choosing, I'm being biased towards. So I need to make sure that I'm picking the markets that show opportunities, not the markets that are not the markets that I just like, right? So anyways, yeah, I've currently gone through like 7 markets at least. Right now they're graded from, the grades I got are from grade B plus to A, just the A grade. So yeah, I've still got another 14 markets to go through, and then we'll currently see. But I mean, in regards to what I've been thinking about, the whole the conditions that I've been trading in for the market, right? I realized that, man, I've been executing so poorly. Like, I've been trading so poorly, and yeah, I mean, obviously things they need to change, right? So what I was thinking to do is pretty much, yeah, I'm gonna have to just start taking the hits on stop loss, man. Like, if I feel if I don't hold, I need to basically hold these trades. So take my word on it. From next week, I'm holding the trades. You know, if stop loss gets hit, stop loss gets hit. In terms of targets, I need to make sure that my targets are clear from before I take the trades, so that then, at least if the target doesn't hit, at least there was a target, you know. And yeah, that's pretty much like one of the main things. Oh yeah, just for perspective as well. So, you know, Saturday 12th, 4:53, and then the account is still at 140. Yeah. Oh, I didn't show what happened with the USD CAD trade. So basically, no word of a lie, I exposed the account to like 10%, and then I ended up closing the position early because mentally I was not there. I wasn't there mentally. It was yesterday was horrible, man. I can't lie. I think I should have just stuck to obviously not trading, but I didn't choose to, and I paid the price. I paid the price mentally, you know, because to be quite frank, guys, it's not easy when you have to. Yeah, it's not easy, like trading under like having like these mental blocks, right? And for me, I know that the main culprit was obviously thinking, oh, I don't wanna lose money. And it's funny because if I'm only risking 50 pips per trade, right? And my TP is like, for example, 150 pips or 200 plus whatever, yeah. Like, then that means there's nothing really to worry about. And I feel like that's what makes the difference between, like, that's what made the biggest difference this week, that I was really focused on not trying to lose the money. And yeah, man, I'm definitely gonna have to up it a notch. Sorry, I don't know where that stutter came from. I don't know how I started stuttering. And yeah, we'll have to wait and see. But 1 second, I'll be right back. But yeah, for now, yeah, next week, man, I'm gonna have to literally up it a notch, like seriously, because there is no way that this kind of mindset on like trying to lose money can continue. Because the thing is, the strategy's there, the system's there, and everything, but just, you know, I was talking about how my execution was very poor, you know, buying at the top, selling at the bottom, blah blah blah. Other factors as well was obviously like being afraid of losing money. But yeah, we're definitely gonna face that fear. We're gonna break that gap, and then break that obstruction, and yeah, just hit hard, you know. But yeah, aside from that, there's nothing really much else for me to say. Like, I feel like I haven't been that aggressive with my system or my strategy, and I feel like that's what's letting me down. I've looked at the market structures on the daily time frame. I've looked at how I was gonna basically approach the markets this time, and this time I'm looking for a my areas of interest are from the daily and the weekly, and I'll be transitioning, like looking for those entry points on the 4-hour time frame, right? And yeah, so far I'm very confident on how we're gonna approach the markets with the current 7 markets that we have. The current 7 markets we have with yeah, with what we've just analyzed post and pre-market analysis. And yeah, that's pretty much it. One moment. Yeah, aside from that, yeah, we're gonna see. At least if we can, yeah, like try. We got like 80 days left of the challenge. So, pardon me. Yeah, I mean, if we can do like, I think it's, yeah, if we can do like if we can basically get like £100 for the rest of the week for like, for example, 6 weeks, and then the other the other 6 weeks, bro. Sorry. If we can get the £100, if we can get £100 for the next 60 days, every 10 days, then at least the rest of the 20 days, if we can get like between 150 to 200, then yeah, that would be perfect for the challenge. So yeah, in the meantime, I feel like I might be a bit warm with this on, so I'm not gonna wear that. So in the meantime, yeah, we just gotta wait and see. I definitely, yeah, just, it's gonna be crazy though, cause yeah, I feel like if we just gotta try. We just gotta take the risk. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, then I don't know. Yeah, forget about it. It's fine. But I've had fun. I've had fun with this challenge. I think it's definitely put me, I would say, like out of place. Like, it's definitely given me a different approach and different route to how I usually do things. I guess which I appreciate, right? But yeah, we gotta step it up a notch, do things the right way, and yeah, that's pretty much it, you know. But aside from that, guys, as you can see, I'm pretty much ready. I'm just gonna go downstairs and have like, well, I've got 1 hour to get to work, so, and I need to go to the shop before I go to work, so I am going to potentially see you in. I'll be catching you maybe tomorrow for the markets that I'm gonna be analyzing, and yeah, we'll pretty much go from there. I forgot my most important commodity right now, my hat. There we go. But yeah, so anyways, yeah, see you tomorrow. More I'll give you like the top markets that I'm going to be taking a look at, and then yeah, we just got to come back harder, and that's pretty much it. Aside from that, people, your boy is out, going to work. Could be late like always, but it's okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Cheers. So yeah, catch you later. I hope you guys had a great week. Have a great weekend, and yeah, until next time.